going on, guys? We're going to give you an update on my old Squarebody here, and well, we still have a lot of work to do. It's going to give you a quick run around here. LS swapped goodness. It is a 5.3 with a turbo 400 transmission and a 10-inch low stall TCI torque converter and 390 gears. So she ought to scoop pretty good. It's got a real mild summit cam in it. Wiring, yay fun. This is the American Autowire kit, and it's really super nice. It comes with really long leads, so you can hide all this good stuff. And we're getting there. Just takes a little bit of doing, lots of time. And that American Autowire kit includes everything. New dimmer switch. Turn on the light here. New dimmer switch comes with a new. It's not tight yet. We gotta finagle with that. Comes with that new switch, a new factory style fuse panel. It goes in the factory spot. Oh, your dash wiring all the way across. And everything is long. There's a lot of pre-terminated things, but they left some of this stuff really long. And some of the stuff that's really nice on this is these are for your gauge cluster, and these are meant to be unclipped. So if you're running aftermarket gauges or factory gauges, you don't have to fight with all your connections. You can just unclip them, pull the whole cluster out, and service what you have to service. So that's enough about that. Over here is our Holley Terminator X kit, which is half done as well. That's just all kind of laying there waiting to be mounted. Gotta get hardware for that. What else? Oh, exhaust. You can't see any of it, but it's under there. Can't see any of it. Oh, there's some more wiring. Cool bumper stickers. Just because they're fun. This will have full exhaust coming out all the way to the back here with these really cool old man tips, because it kind of fits the truck. I think we're going to run the non-rolled tip, not this roundy one. I don't know. We'll see what it looks like. I'm not opposed to either one. What else? Oh, door panels. We got to get them installed. That window doesn't roll down. I think that's it. Oh, we're running manifolds on this thing because I actually want to drive it. I want to have ground clearance and long tube headers on a lower truck. Kind of makes things tight. Camping radiator. I got these fancy things. I've never used them before. We're gonna try them. They're stainless, and then they got rubber ends and stuff on them. I don't know if them are gonna be any good. We shall see. ICT billet accessory kit, which is really nice, like everything else some guys make. Fantastic. Fits good. Instructions are awesome. Can't beat it. So that's about it for this one. She's getting closer. So maybe next week we'll be driving it. I don't know. But when we do, you'll see it here. I promise. Oh, wait, before I go. This is that American Autowire kit. If you were in the market, you're gonna want to be in the market if you need to wire one of these trucks. Totally worth the money. Kind of expensive. Actually, it's real expensive. I think that kit was like almost $800. Well worth it. Comes with everything. Either way, we'll see you later, guys. Thanks.